Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you are a computer science student, then today's topic is extremely important. Not just because for your exam, but also for your future career. So, today's we are going to understand the difference between data science and data analytics. So, many students think these two terms are same, but in reality they are different. They have different goals and different skills required, and there are different career opportunities. So by the end of this video you will clearly understand what data analytics is, what data science is, the major difference between data analytics and data science, and which career path might be right for you. So let's get started. Before discussing the differences, let's understand one important fact. So, in the real world, there are lots of difference between data science and data analytics. So, let's first clear the confusions. So, in the common ground, both fields are booming, but they require the different mindset. So as well as understanding these differences help you to choose the right electives and the career paths. And also by the end of this session you will able to identify which role fits a specific business problem. So now let's understand that what is the main key ingredients for data science and data analytics. So both data science and data analytics work on the same raw material, that is called the data. So think the data as a crude oil. So just like the crude oil has no value until it is refined, raw data becomes valuable only after proper analysis or processing. So, both fields aim to solve the business problems, improve decision making, and create value for the organizations. So, the main difference is their purpose. So, data analytics mainly look at the past, while data science tries to predict the future. So, remember this idea because it is the foundation for the entire topic. So, now let's understand the data analytics. So data analytics is the process of examining existing databases to draw conclusions about the information they contain. So it's primarily concerned with the historical data. So a data analyst mainly asks two questions. So the first is what happened, and second is why did it happen. So for example, did sales decrease last quarter, or maybe there is a new competitor entered in the market, or the customer demand changed. So these are the different questions that are addressed by the data analyst. So the key responsibilities of the data analyst are the trend identification, the reporting, and the decision support. The trend identification means spotting the different patterns in the past performance to see where the business is succeeding. While in the reporting you have to create a different dashboards and the visualization that makes the complete data easy for the stakeholders to understand. And in the decision support you have to address the question of why, because what are the different past events to help the manager to take the better decisions. Now, let's discuss what the data science is. So, data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses the different scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights. So, data science requires various skills. The first is statics and the programming. So, as a data scientist you must learn how to use the different programming languages like Python and R to clean and manipulate the massive data set. It also required a skill set of the machine learning, means you understand that how to build the different machine learning models, and learn that how the data is used to automate the different tasks. It also required to build some intelligent system like the recommendation systems, for example, that is already available with the Netflix also. And also banks are use the different recommendation systems for the fraud detections. So uh, basically the data science give you the answer of what will happen next. So instead of just looking at the past, data science focuses on the predictive modeling to forecast the future outcomes. Now let's discuss the difference between these two with one sales example. So as a data analyst, for example, the primary focus of the data analyst is to find out the last month's sales, while the data analyst identify the next month demand. Similarly, in the action, data analysts analyze the back to school promotion results, while the data scientists build a model to predict the inventory needs for the holiday seasons. As an output, the data analyst produce a report showing which item sold best and why, while the data scientists automate the system that adjusts the prices based on the predicted demand. The overall goal of data analyst is to explain the past performance, while the data scientist goal is to forecast the future opportunities. So the analyst tells the manager that umbrellas sold well because it is rained, while the data scientist tells the manager exactly how many umbrellas to order for the next year based on the weather patterns and economic trends. So this is the main basic difference between the data scientist and the data analyst. So we can say the data analyst analytics explain the past, while the data science predicts the future. As when we talk about the different tools, so for the data analytics you required SQL and Excel, while for the data science you required to learn tool like Python and TensorFlows. The skill set required for the data analytics is a strong communication and business logic, while for the data scientist, you required a deep maths logic and the coding. And the careers for both are very bright. And if you learn both the things, you can choose wisely that which one role suit to your future. So, in one line, we can say that data analytics focus on analyzing the past data to generate the insights, while the data science uses the data, statics, and the machine learning to predict future outcomes and develop intelligent solutions. So, in this way, we can differentiate data analysis and data science. So if you like this video, so please press on the like button, and if you have any query about this topic, please comment and try to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.